All right, so just a demonstration of what our system is capable of at the moment. So we have our scale turned on. We have the Pico connected to my computer. We have the 12-volt power source plugged in here. So to operate our powder dosing, for now, we have to go into our main function, hit run. Okay. For any tips on what kind of inputs we're allowed to put, you hit H. So here we go. So I'm going to demonstrate what can be done with closed loop dispensing. So we're going to do G, and we're going to start off with a higher value first. So let's do 5 grams. So when I hit enter, the scale gets zeroed and it starts dispensing. So the way that it dispenses is it does small incremental rotations, and each time it stops, it remeasures where it's at and adjusts accordingly. But what you'll see is that from this current setup, this is going to take a really long time to hit 5 grams. We've already been going for about 30 seconds and we're at 0.07. So we probably want to set up a way to dose the powder faster, especially when we have larger inputs. So I'm going to go ahead and stop it there. Okay, and we're gonna start over with something else. Let's say I wanted to do a really fine amount. So let's do G, and let's do like 0.2. Now it gets zeroed. Sorry, maybe I will do a even lower amount. And of course, we still have full control over everything like angle. So let's say I want to test this at a different angle. So now we're slightly up more. Let's try again. So if I wanted to do G point, we'll try 0.2 again, see if it comes out faster. So we're getting better results already at a different angle. And what it's supposed to do when it gets within a certain value is it will change from rotating to tapping the solenoid. So we'll see if it does that here. Yeah. So now for fine tuning the value, which seems to be working pretty well. Okay, and that's where it's going to finish at. So pretty close to 0.2 grams.